All right, YouTube, what up? This is Daryl, Undefined 424. And yeah, so last week, because of the snowstorm in Toronto, GTA, Southern Ontario, yeah, a lot of books were delayed or shelves weren't stocked. So this is the new comic book day hauls for January 12th and January 19th. So let's get into it. Picked up these two. Darth Vader 1, Star Wars 1, Director's Cut. Ben Reilly, Spider-Man, sketch variant. That was a ratio variant. This is also a ratio variant, Ben Reilly, Spider-Man. Another ratio, the sketch variant with trade dress and color. I think that's the 1 in 10. Miles Morales, Spider-Man 34. Variant cover and main cover tie-in to the Beyond story arc. We got ASM's 86, the homage variant, and main cover. I really like the main cover. We got James Bond Himeros, the A cover. Incredible Hulk number 3, the homage cover. And that's my pickups from January 12th on to January 19th. So we got Cowboy Bebop number 1, cover E. What else we got? I picked up a back issue. First Ultimate Venom and Origin. Got Black Panther 3, Legacy 200. Rumor has it that there's a new character in here as well. Can't wait to dive into that. X Deaths of Wolverine. X Lives of Wolverine. X Deaths spoiler variant. X Deaths the Jurgens variant. X Deaths, I think this is the Hans variant. I think so. And we got the X Deaths connecting variant, which connects to the X Lives variant. Beautiful. Isn't that cool? Is that cool or cool? We got the X Lives Momoko variant. The Black Panther number 1 second print. I think it's second print. Devil's Reign 3. Devil's Reign Winter Soldier. Another tie-in. Many huge tie-ins. This one's also a tie-in, but for the Beyond story arc. Mary Jane Black Cat. And if y'all know me well enough by now, I've got a ton of variants coming up. here we go. Variant Gate. Starting with Devil's Reign 3 connecting cover variant. Devil's Reign Chung variant. Winter Soldier, Devil's Reign Winter Soldier Okazaki variant. Mary Jane Black Cat, I don't know which variant. And we got the Momoko variant. And we got the Ramos variant. Ramos Delgado. Okay, what's up next? Silk. I think this is the ratio variant, 1 in 25. Any takers? Any takers? Hit me up. Might be willing to let it go for a right price. Ratio variant number 2 for Devil's Reign 3. It's the Forness variant. Forness ratio, 1 in 25. The She-Hulk Jurgens ratio variant, the 1 in 25. Main cover, Ben Reilly Spider-Man. Always love this. Anyways. She-Hulk main cover. We've got Silver Surfer, the Ron Lim cover. The Silk, the Lee In-hyuk, or In-hyuk Lee if you're Western. Lee In-hyuk. I think Lee In-hyuk is doing all the covers, the main covers for Silk. We got Devil's Reign Villains for Hire, main cover. We've got Devil's Reign X-Men main cover. Noto, it's the Noto cover. Moon Knight 7. Venom 4. Main cover. Avengers Forever number 2. Main cover. Eternals number 9. Main cover. The Jurgens variant for Ben Reilly Spider-Man. I got the Scotty Young variant. If only I could get my hands on the Virgin cover of the Art Germ She-Hulk variant. We got the Hughes variant. I like that one. That's cool too. Scotty Young again. She-Hulk variant. The Liefeld variant. Now we got Silver Surfer Rebirth. The Chung variant. The Kamenkoli variant. This one is also the Jurgens variant. I like that one. That's not bad. That's pretty nice. The Momoko variant. Silk, we got the Davi Go variant. I remember writing this down, but I forgot the name. But another variant for the new Silk. I think it's Silk Volume 3 now. Villains for Hire. Variant cover. I don't remember who the artist is. Devil's Reign X-Men variant. The Raza Moon Knight cover. That's awesome. And I got myself 2 of the Venom homage covers. Again, any takers can have one. And for the right price. Anyways, that's the hauls for January 12th and January 19th. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hit that like, subscribe, and if you want, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. What are you picking up? What's on your list? Anyways, it's your boy Daryl, Undefined 424. Peace out.